Man, what you think about all this snow?
It's a lot.
Dude, have you ever seen this much snow?
I've never seen anything like this before
Dude,
in my life.
It's sick.
It's crazy.
I'd love to have a little snow bunny to cuddle up with tonight.
So would I.
Would you?
I would love one.
Dude, I would love a snow bunny right now.
Yeah. We gave a good effort though.
These footprints, man. Dude, we gave it a hell of an effort. I mean, I didn't kid around tonight. I had confidence like a... Well, let's just say I had confidence. Take this inside and see what's going on. Welcome to my crib.
Dude, you got freaking snow all over.
I know, man. Dude, I'm about to take these boots off.
Drag your pants. They're so wet.
Well, I'll take care of it, man. Oh. Wow. It's covered, man. Like, this has got to be like 2 inches.
God, look at my shoes.
Wow.
That was so pointless.
It was.
Oh shit, look at that footprint of smoke. Look at that.
Oh man, look at that. You cuss on the camera too, man. Come on, let me come in here and take my boots off.
Hold on, wipe your feet, man.
I can't, man. This camera's gonna be ruined.
What?
This camera's gonna be ruined. Freak. Look at all this. You'd be kidding me, right? It's just water. This son of a beach is ice cold.
Still filming?
Yeah.
Wow.
Making a movie.
I'm hungry.
But you wish you had some groceries. Man, my jeans are freezing on the bottom.
Ice cream.
Look at that fridge, man.
It just makes me smile. Like, I can't help but put a smile on my face when I look in this fridge and see it like that.
Look at all this, man.
See, you didn't eat your lunch.
I wasn't able to eat today.
I thank Miss Nancy for that roast.
What?
I want to thank Miss Nancy for that roast.
Why don't you look in the camera and say it?
Thank you, Miss Nancy, for that roast for the 3rd time.
Right there. That's a meal right there. Let's go in here and check this out. Oh my goodness. It's getting a little bare.
Because we're eating.
Like men.
Got that big red.
Got that big red. What's up now? Woo! Woo! Woohoo! Chris enjoyed his meal. Jambalaya pot. Jambalaya. And this is... Now you're going to come back here and meet Samantha. This is the girl I met tonight at the stage. Samantha. Oh wait, just kidding. We didn't meet anybody tonight. And that's a wrap.